Stay with me for the next few minutes, and let me take you on a calm, simple, slow English journey. A small story about a family traveling to the airport. It's soft, easy, and perfect for your listening practice. Just relax, take a breath, and enjoy the story. Welcome to this slow and peaceful English listening episode. Today, we will follow a family as they prepare for a trip, drive to the airport, check in, move through security, and finally wait for their flight. Everything will be told in simple English with clear ideas, easy vocabulary, and a calm rhythm, perfect for A1 to B1 learners. Let's begin. It is early in the morning. The sun is just starting to rise, and the sky is soft and light. Inside a warm house, a family of four is getting ready for a big day. They're going on a family trip to another country. Everyone is excited, and the whole house feels full of gentle energy. The mother wakes up first. She walks quietly to the kitchen, prepares tea, and checks the time. The flight is in a few hours, but she knows it takes time to get ready. She opens the curtains, lets the morning light in, and smiles softly. It's going to be a good day. A few minutes later, the father comes in. He stretches his arms and yawns. Are the kids awake? He asks. Not yet, the mother says with a small laugh. But they will be very soon. She was right. Upstairs, two children, a little girl and her older brother, are already sitting on their beds, excited and full of energy. The girl holds her small backpack. She packed her favorite toy, a soft brown teddy bear. The boy checks his small suitcase. He has a toy car inside and a book he likes to read. They both walk downstairs quickly, smiling, ready for the trip. Good morning, the boy says loudly. Good morning, sweetheart, the mother answers. Good morning, the girl says too, holding her teddy bear tightly. The family sits at the table and eats a simple breakfast. Toast, eggs, fruit, and warm drinks. The children talk about airplanes, about clouds, about the place they will visit. The parents listen and laugh softly, enjoying the excitement. After breakfast, it's time to check everything one last time. Passports? Yes. Tickets? Yes. Suitcases? Yes. Snacks for the children? Yes. Everything is ready. The father lifts one of the suitcases. Okay, he says calmly. Let's go. Outside, the morning air is cool and fresh. The family walks to their car, places the bags in the trunk, and sits inside. The children sit in the back seats and look out the window. The car starts moving, beginning the journey to the airport. The road is quiet. Soft music plays in the car. The mother looks outside, watching trees and buildings pass slowly. The father drives carefully. The children talk softly about the airplane. Do you think it will be big? I think so. Will we sit near the window? I hope we do. The drive takes about 30 minutes. Finally, they see the airport in the distance, a large building with tall windows and many lights. Airplanes sit on the ground, waiting for people to board them. Look, the girl says happily, pointing at a big airplane. It's so big, the boy says. The parents smile. The car enters the parking area. The father parks the car, and everyone gets out. They stretch their arms and legs after the drive. Then they take their suitcases, close the doors, and begin walking toward the entrance of the airport. The moment they enter the building, the atmosphere changes. The airport is bright, busy, and full of sounds. Rolling suitcases, soft announcements, people talking, children laughing, Workers moving around. The children look around with wide eyes. Everything feels big and exciting. The mother says gently, "Stay close to us. The airport is busy." They both nod and hold her hands. The family walks to the check-in area. They follow signs with pictures of airplanes and suitcases. The line is short, and soon it is their turn. "Good morning," the airport worker says with a friendly smile. "Good morning," the parents answer. They show their passports and tickets. The worker prints the boarding passes and attaches small stickers to the suitcases. "Are you checking these bags?" the worker asks. "Yes," the father replies. "Great. Please place them on the belt." The luggage moves away slowly on the conveyor. The girl watches her suitcase disappear. She holds her teddy bear tightly. "It's okay," the mother whispers. "You will get it back when we arrive." The worker gives them their boarding passes. "Have a safe flight," she says. "Thank you," the parents reply. Next, the family walks toward security. This part is always a little slower, a little quieter. People take off their jackets, remove their electronics, put everything in trays. The father explains softly to the children, "We will put our things here, walk to the gate, and then get them again." It's simple. The boy nods. The girl looks a little nervous, but the mother holds her hand and smiles. They place their bags in trays, along with their phones and small items. Then they walk through the security gate, one by one. Beep? No beep. Everything is fine. They collect their things and move forward. After security, the airport feels more peaceful. Shops line both sides of the long hallway. Cafes with soft music fill the air. People sit with their families, reading, eating, talking. The family decides to stop for a moment. They sit at a small table near a large window. Outside, airplanes move slowly across the runway. Some are taking off, rising into the sky. Some are landing gently. The boy presses his face to the glass. "Look, that plane is going up." "Yes," the father says. "Soon we will be on one too." The mother takes out snacks for the children. The girl drinks juice. The boy eats a small sandwich. The parents drink coffee, enjoying the quiet moment. They check the time. Still enough time before the flight. After their short break, they walk toward Gate 14. The hallway is long, but the children enjoy walking, looking at signs, and seeing different people. When they arrive, many passengers are already sitting near the gate. Some read books, some look at their phones, some talk quietly. The family finds 4 seats together. They sit and wait. The girl holds her teddy bear and looks around. The boy looks at airplanes outside. The parents talk softly about their trip. Soon, a voice comes from the speakers. "Attention, please. Boarding for Flight 226 to Lisbon will begin shortly." The girl looks at her mother. "Is that our flight?" "Yes," the mother says. "That's us." The children smile. A few minutes later, boarding begins. People stand up slowly, forming a line. Families with children can board early. The family stands and walks to the line. The worker checks their boarding passes. "Enjoy your flight," she says. "Thank you," the parents reply. They walk down the jet bridge, a long tunnel connecting the airport to the airplane. The children look around with excitement. It feels like a secret hallway. The boy says. The parents laugh. When they reach the airplane door, a flight attendant greets them. Welcome aboard, she says warmly. The family finds their seats. The children sit next to the window. The parents sit beside them. The girl looks outside. I can see the wing, she says. And cars, the boy adds. And people. And clouds. They laugh softly. The airplane fills with passengers. People place bags in the overhead bins. Some take photos. Some get comfortable. The engines start. A soft rumble fills the plane. The children's eyes open wide. The airplane begins to move slowly across the ground. It turns and turns, then stops, then starts again, moving toward the runway. The mother gently holds the girl's hand. The father smiles at the boy, who looks excited. The plane reaches the runway. It stops for a moment. Everything becomes quiet. Then the engines become louder. The airplane begins to move faster and faster and faster. The children hold their breath. The parents smile. And then the airplane lifts off the ground. Up, 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 into the sky. The buildings become small. The cars look tiny. The clouds look close. The girl whispers, "We're flying." Yes, the mother says softly. We are. The boy looks at the sky in amazement. This is the best day ever. The family sits together, warm and peaceful, watching the world from above. The father closes his eyes for a moment and breathes deeply. The mother watches the clouds with a soft smile. The girl hugs her teddy bear. The boy leans toward the window, full of wonder. The airplane continues its journey, and so does the family. Their adventure has just begun.